And again, you know, this is done in 15 minutes, so this is really quick. If it'll come out. So now what I usually do is try to stick a straw up there and just kind of clear it out. Slowly coming out. And it's beeping now at the minus 1.6. This doesn't happen very often, and I think this is the only second time I've ever had this problem where, you know, it just kind of jammed up in there and wouldn't come out. But we're going to watch and see what happens. But you can see it's all kind of caked up back in there. Almost like you gotta pump it. Yeah, that seems to be working. See? There, maybe I have a fix now if you have this problem.